Hi there, I am Alex Cunningham, and I will walk you through this Shopify tutorial step by step.
If you've ever wanted to personalize your Shopify store by changing section colors and fonts using custom CSS, you're in the right place. In this tutorial, I'll walk you through the process step by step, giving you the confidence to make your store truly unique. By the end, you'll know exactly how to tweak your site's hero section, transform font styles, and play around with colors, all with just a few lines of code. Let's dive straight in. First, we're going to focus on the hero section of your store, which is usually that eye-catching image or headline visitors see first. Head over to your Shopify admin panel and find the theme customizer. Once you're there, locate your hero section, sometimes called a header or a banner. Select it so it's active because any changes we make will apply specifically to this part of your store. Now, to start editing the design itself, look for a button or tab labeled Edit Code or Custom CSS. Don't worry if you haven't done this before. These sections are designed so you can safely paste code without breaking your whole site. I've prepared a handy CSS snippet for you. It's in the video description below so you can copy and paste it as you follow along. This is your toolkit for styling everything from colors to fonts. Let's say you want your hero section's headline or any important text to stand out. Maybe you want the hero text to be orange to really catch visitors' attention. Copy the CSS code from the description and then paste it in the custom CSS box. Instantly, you'll notice the hero text shifts to that vibrant orange shade. This simple change tells your visitors where to look and helps reinforce your brand's vibe. And remember, if orange isn't your color, you can swap in any other color code you like. Just replace the word orange with blue, #FF5733, or whatever you choose. We're not limited to just changing colors, though. This CSS snippet is your gateway to customizing fonts, too. For example, maybe you want a more dramatic font for your hero text, or a softer look for your paragraphs. In your CSS code, you can adjust the font family, font size, weight, color, letter spacing, and even margins. If you want bolder text, increase the font weight. For more breathing room around your headline, tweak the margin numbers. It's a bit like dressing your text up for an event. Every tweak helps you match the look to your brand's personality. Now, sometimes you'll want more than just a headline, perhaps a jumbo text section for a special announcement or offer. To target this specifically, go back to your CSS and type out jumbo text char and hit enter. This creates a rule for any element with that jumbo text char class. Now, you can style this jumbo text independently. Maybe give it a bigger font size, a different color, or unique spacing. This step allows you to highlight special messages without affecting your entire site's style. This part might take a few moments, especially if you're experimenting with different font combinations, colors, or layout tweaks. If something doesn't quite look right, don't worry, it's all reversible, and experimenting is part of the creative process. Keep checking the preview pane to see your changes as you go. It's a great way to spot exactly how each tweak shows up for your customers. And that's it. You've just learned how to style your Shopify sections with custom CSS, making your online store look uniquely yours. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give the video a like, drop any questions you have in the comments, and subscribe for more easy-to-follow Shopify guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.